Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to wrap text around a circle in photopea. Let's get started. See this circle, create a new layer and type text. Example, I type wrap text in circle. Okay, then double click warp RC, place it, press Ctrl Z, duplicate layer, press right click, flip vertical. Okay, and another way, again create a ellipse tool, then hold shift, text, click this line and type anything. Double click, character, paragraph, fill, text size, delete this. That's it. Hold shift, hold control align middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.